Hi, in this project, we are going to be using the Google YouTube API to get data from YouTube. We are going to get data from a channel that you all know. We are going to compare to, we're going to get data from MrBeast and iShowSpeed. And from there, we are going to get MrBeast data, and I'll show you how to read data and use the Python API to get all that data to a data frame. I'm also going to show you how to create your YouTube API key for this. I'm your instructor, Simon Gogi, data engineer, and let's get right into the video. Yeah, so let's get into the project. Yeah, so we get to the API documentation. We should have the documentation. It has the code samples. By the way, you can try to look at this. Has Python here, and you can look. Yeah, so look at reference. Come here at reference. Come here at reference, and look at the channels. We're looking at the list. Yeah, and we're going to come here. We are interested in the part. This the documentation. Make sure you read the documentation before getting data from an API. The documentation helps rather than getting stuck. And so the part and what you're going to be getting is the statistics. The statistics for the data. We are going to be getting values such as the viewer count, the views per video, the all of that, the views, the views, the dislikes, the subscriptions. When you joined, we can get all that data. Yeah, and you can also get, according to further transformations, you can get other analysis like the view per year, the view per month. It has the view date where it was published. Yeah, so we'll be getting the channel through the ID. So here, this ID is what you'll be using, and you can come here to get the API. API is in, get the API is in the functionality to your get started the API. Need a Google account, developers console. Yeah, so you will come to APIs and services. So you should have this is GCP and credentials. You have your API key. This is my API key. Yeah, I'll show you this key. This is how you get your key. Yeah, so let's get right into the coding project. So I'll be using Google Colab. I think it's fast through this installing things. I want to use this, but you can use any code editor of your choice. Just make sure the file has a IPYNB extension, or if you want to use a Python file, you want to use a script that's a .py file. Well, up to you. Yeah, so we are going to install the Google API Python client. So yeah, so pip install Google API Python client, and then from Google API client the discovery, going to import build, although don't really need this, but yeah, discover import build. Yeah, oh, already it's finishing our code for us. So then we'll have the API key here. Copy that API key here. Yeah, so should run and install. So depending on your network, okay. So yeah, requirement already satisfied, and allow me to get rid. Yeah, show hidden outputs. Yeah, so YouTube equals to builds, and then this. Yeah, so developer key, API key. Yeah, it's finishing for me the code. Then you have requests. Going to requests. I want to show you the JSON raw format so that we can we can be able to extract the data. Remember, it's in a list and read the API. So the channels list. Remember, yeah, list, and then you're going to open this. So it will be part. Remember, it's the statistics part. So you have snippet, then you have content details dot statistics, content details dot statistics, statistics. Yeah, so then you're going to have an ID, one ID. So I think I have my YouTube channel. So this is my channel. Yeah, still working on growing, but yeah, so I'll get, so if I'm to copy channel ID, so this is the ID. So be copying this in there, and so you have response, then print response, execute, then print response, and then you're going to show you. I don't know why this is not running. Okay. Deal is not defined. API key from Google, be from Google API. Okay, client what build. Yeah, so I think hide that output, hide it, and run. Okay, so returned content details to statistics. Details is content details to statistics, unknown part, location, unknown part. Okay, let's debug this. So it's ELV3 developer key API key request, YouTube the channels the list, then part is snippet. Oh, yeah, snippet content details statistics. Yeah, okay, so we have a response. Yeah, so you can see this, so it leads the response, so you can see. Okay, so let's see where the, let's see this. So you got to print this. So my channel name is Data Community. This, you can see this, you can see the title, you can see the items. The item, it's encapsulating all this. I don't know if I've gotten that one correct. So we have the title, then you have the description. Welcome to this community. We talk about community. The next line, then you have uploads, then you have view count, then you have subscriber count, and then you have hidden subscriber count, and then we have video, the video count. Yeah, so we are going to be getting data from like other channels, like main big channels that you know. Yeah, and then we are going to do an analysis of that data, and then at the end I'll show you how to get that data in in a list, or in a data frame. Yeah, yeah. So let's get into it. Yeah, so we have channel IDs, channel IDs, and we have some channels that I'll be putting in a list here, and let's look at Mr. Beast. Look at Mr. Beast channel. Let's look at YouTubers can do this, and we have how to get their data. Yeah, so copy channel ID. So come back to here. So let me take just another one, and it will be show speed. I show speed. You know, maybe I've heard of him. So I show speed at 7.6 M subscribers. Yeah, so copy channel ID. Yeah, so this other one. So yeah, just run this. Yeah, and then using this JSON response, you can just extract data from that using a for loop function. Going to get a function. Yeah, and I'll show you how we write this function. So we are going to name our function get channel stats, get channel stats. Yeah, so we are going to have parameters, YouTube, and channel IDs. Remember, we have channel IDs above. Yeah, so it's just Python. So we'll have a list. We're going to have call it all data, and yeah, now this should be a list. So we are going to request. So request, going to request that data in this now list. Yeah, so request. This is YouTube.channels. YouTube.channels. Then dot list. And we're going to open that. Then just the other, like the above code above there. So we have this. We have snippet, credential, statistics. Yeah, that's the same. Then we have ID will be that, and join channel IDs. Yeah. So at the end, I'm going to have a response and get this response equals to request dot. We'll have to execute dot execute. Yeah, then you are going to loop through this response to extract relevant details. Yeah, so going to loop a for loop in items. Remember these items now, these items that has all these. Yeah, oh, where am I? Okay, yeah, so items that has all this, you're going to get the channel name, the subscribers, the views, the total videos, and the content details. Yeah, so execute. Yeah, so now we have a for loop. Yeah, so we have a for item in response, then items, then data, we have a channel name, item snippet title, yeah, it does good. So the other one is subscribers, then item statistics, subscriber count. I'm just reading this to see that's good. Then we have the views, item statistics, then view count, total videos, item statistics, video count. Yeah, up to there. Release the item content details related. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so and then from here we're going to have the all data dot append. Remember we have the all data as a list, it's an empty list. Then you're going to append to this, then you're going to return all data. Yeah, let me charge this because it has showing battery it's empty. Yeah, so it's good. Return all data and we should run this. Yeah, so it's running. Yeah, so we are going to have another variable. We're going to name it channel, and it will be get channel stats. So we have the function above there, get channel stats, YouTube channel IDs. Yeah, yeah, then you're going to have import Seaborn. We're going to compare just before we get the data in PDF or in a CSV format. Then import matplotlib. I just need pandas and Seaborn. Import pandas as PD. Just run this. Yeah, so we should have a df equals to, now we're going to create now this data frame from now these two channels. Yeah, don't know if you're understanding that. So from these two channels IDs, you're going to get their data. So df should get the data of MrBeast and IShowSpeed. Yeah, MrBeast, the channel name. Yeah, it has subscribers for 380 million. IShowSpeed has 37.6 M views. Yeah, significantly more. Yeah, and IShowSpeed has almost twice the videos. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, MrBeast, it seems that his videos are watched more in comparison to IShowSpeed. Maybe it's the content, the type of content is different, but yeah, you're getting the idea. You're getting the idea. Yeah, so we'll do some views, some um, some views. Create some views. We'll see how this looks like. So we're going to look at types. So this is data science. So yeah, working with notebooks science, you need to also get good with it. So we are going to change the subscribers to integers. We're also going to change the views to integers and the total videos to integers. Yeah, going to change the three of them to integers like that. Then you're going to plot. You're going to plot the channel name in response to, or in comparison to, the channel name in comparison to the subscribers. Yeah, you can print that unless it's not defined. We plotted as SNS. Yeah, so you can see in comparison, channel name Mr. Beast has, damn, 7 times the channels. Yeah, yeah, you can see. So also you're going to plot the views in comparison to the views. Yeah, comparison to the views, and you can see Mr. Beast. As I said, Mr. Beast has let me look, almost 8 times the views. Yeah, with half the videos. And then you're going to look at the comparison of the videos. Yeah, of course, comparison of the videos. You see who has more views per video. You can see 1600, and yeah, almost double IShowSpeed. Yeah, but yeah, if you know what IShowSpeed has, then his audience is what IShowSpeed does in his content, then his what did I say? His content is super specific, and his audience similarly so will be specific. Yeah, so I'm going to have a create, and I'm going to have a channel name that you're going to create. We want to create a list, and then you're going to loop over this Mr. Beast. We are going to get data from Mr. Beast, and we want to get the playlist ID from that. From, you see, let me show you. We got this playlist ID here. Yeah. So this playlist ID here, if you can see this, and you want to get this. You want to get this from the data, or from the data, and from in this playlist ID you're going to loop over it and then get video IDs, and then you're going to loop in the video IDs and get specific data that is specific to each video. Yeah, I hope my English was not confusing. Yeah, so yeah, so you're going to have a playlist ID equals to EF dot, then we are getting some, yeah, so channel name equals code with Harry, playlist ID iLock0. Yeah, but our channel name is Mr. Beast. Remember that we are getting Mr. Beast data, Mr. Beast. Yeah, and you should run that, and it should return the playlist ID. Yeah, just return the playlist ID. If you can see the playlist ID start with UCX there, and no, channel ID start with UCX, and playlist ID starts with UX, so it's different. Yeah, so we're going to now loop over this, create a function that's going to loop over this to get the video IDs. So def then get video IDs, then parameters will be YouTube, and then playlist ID. Then we have requests, YouTube playlist items list, then part is content details, then playlist ID. Yeah, so we're going to loop in each. Now we're going to have max results in each page. Now we're going to loop over in each page now. Max results. Max results in each loop it will give me 50. So we're going to loop until they're complete. Yeah, so we have response equals to request.execute. Then we have video IDs. Now it's an empty data frame or an empty list. So at the end, we are going to append data in this. So we have for I in range. Remember we have 50. The maximum results 50. Yeah. So in range, then len, then response items. Yeah. No. Yeah, then video IDs dot append response items content details video ID. Yeah. Then you go to the next page. Next page. What do we have? Response.get. Then you have next page token, and we get more pages through. So while more pages if next page is none, then we have, so just looping until we get to the last page. So just that's the idea. We are getting that. So if there's a next page to loop, else then it will end now with this part goes to content details, playlist ID equals playlist ID max results 50. Yeah. So yeah, all that. And then after going to the next token, yeah, so we'll have to response execute. So we have response is equals to request.execute. Then we have for I in range, so response now in the original items. Then you have to append now to the video IDs the empty one that we have listed there up. Yeah, so yeah, so all these, but I can see we have left something. My Python tells me we should have a line here. Next page, first response.get next page token. Yeah, what have I done? Let me return this. Yeah, so this loops with the playlist ID and it should give okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so you should have video IDs. Let us look if it has gotten that. Video IDs. Yeah, so the function was get video IDs. Then we have the parameters. Remember, it's YouTube playlist ID. Valid. Okay. And yeah, it's okay. So let me print video IDs. Let me look if they are there. So it will be a big list. Remember, you have like 900. Yeah, so let's see if it has gotten that video IDs. Okay. Yeah, so here, let's rerun this. Yeah, so let's video IDs. Yeah, you can see all these. You can see all that. Yeah, 800 of them, 8 something of them. So we have hidden the output. Yeah, so video IDs. So yeah, then we are going to look now over these video IDs, and then we'll get the title, the publish date, the views, the likes, the dislikes, and the number of comments. Yeah, so let's do that. So now the function is, remember that this is that function. So this now is get video details. So def, yeah, so it's video get video details. So YouTube video IDs, all video info. Since I'm getting stats, let me just name it that. And now this will be also an empty string. So we'll process video IDs in batches of 50. Yeah, that's the YouTube API limit. That's why we did 50 50 50 50. Yeah, and then we are going to select 50 videos at a time. So this is what this function is doing. So for I in range, it already has given me for I in range 0, len video IDs 50, and then request YouTube videos list, part snippet statistics, and then ID join video IDs I plus 50. Yeah, good. So now you should have a response request.execute. Yeah, now we are going to extract video statistics for each video. Yeah, for I video in response, then items video stats equals title video snippet title, published date video snippet published at. Yeah, then we have views video statistics view count, and then you're going to set the original to 0. Okay, original to 0, also this to 0, also this to 0. So we have the published date, views, likes, comments. You really don't have to get the dislikes. The dislikes mostly go to 0. Yeah, so the dislikes always subtract from the likes. Yeah, so if you have 50 dislikes and you have 100 likes, so what will happen, what will be displayed in the YouTube is that you have 50 likes. So you don't need to get that. So return all video stats. So if you can run this, I hope I don't have indentation problem. Okay, so we have video details. So we have now get video details, like what you have done above. So videos, and remember it has a parameter. Yeah, so video details, so view count 0, yeah, let me look at the issue. Yeah, so yeah, so video details get that, and so we are going to have video details, and then equals to pd.dataframe video details, and we are going to select the video details, 10 of them, video details dot head, 10 of them. So run that and run that. Yeah, so we have title, so baseball tic-tac-toe versus MLB Pro. So it was in 27. So this yesterday has all those likes and has all those comments. Yeah, so we have gotten our data. Yeah, so this is how you get your data at the end. Yeah, and you see you can get other things like video duration. Yeah, but all in all, this is how you get your data from API. You can do now other transformations and get that, but that data is still from the API. Yeah, and so that will be all from today. You can get all these will be linked in the description of the video, and you can get as many data as many information of even your own channel. Yeah, and if maybe you want your channel to be analyzed by me, you can just hit comment and I will do that if I'll have time. So thanks for watching this. Till next time. Bye.